Hi everyone, welcome to today's mini flow. My name is Kyla and I am a Pilates Sculpt instructor. We're going to start with no equipment, just a mat. We're going to meet seated on your mat. Let's extend the legs out in front of us. You think about anchoring your tailbone down into your mat, anchoring the heels down, toes flexed back towards you. We extend the arms out nice and long. We take a nice inhale here. As we exhale, we're going to tuck our pelvis under, rolling all the way back down onto the mat. As you roll down, I want you to think about finding a C curve and roll. We come down onto our mat. Legs come up in reverse tabletop. From here, scoop the pelvis forward so that your lower back is imprinted into your mat. Arms stay up over the chest, reaching nice and long. From here, we lower one leg down at a time, tapping the toe on the mat, keeping the head, neck, and shoulders relaxed. Here, we're just activating our core and letting the body warm up. It's nice and sunny today, so forgive me, my eyes are super squinty. And we tap and lift, tap and lift. One more each side here. From here, arms reach long at your sides, like you're reaching past your hips. Take an inhale. As you exhale, scoop and round, lifting the head up, lifting the head, neck, and shoulders, reaching long, lower back's pressed down. You want to have some space like an apple under your chin here. Neck is relaxed. Let's glue those legs together and begin our 100. So the 100 is when we pump the arms vigorously up and down. As you can see, I'm inhaling for 5 pumps and exhaling for 5. Go ahead and take those legs out about 45 degrees, keeping the lower back imprinted into your mat, reaching the arms long. You've got this. Core starting to turn on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We controlled, bring everything in and lower down. Nice inhale here. And exhale. Keeping our head, neck, and shoulders down. Let's move into a single leg stretch. Right knee comes toward the chest, left leg extends, and we switch. Notice my lower back is staying down and the center of my body is not moving. Finding that control before moving the legs. And 4, 3, 2, hold here on 1. Extend this leg. Curl the head and neck and shoulders up. Hold that contraction in your core. We go pump, pump, and switch. And switch. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Ooh, anchor that lower back down. Core is working. We're turning it on. I see you, queen. Yes, you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold that contraction. Both legs come up. Hands go behind the ears, but we do not pull. We lower and we curl. Lower. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you lift. Inhale. Lift. 2 more and we hold it up. And 2. Woo! And 1. Hold it up here. Take the right leg out. Ooh, baby girl. And we switch. hold that contraction in your core. Ooh, yes you can. I see you, queen. Yes you can. Stay here with me. Switch. All that control anchoring you down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we control it all, relaxing down. Give yourself a knee hug, side to side. Moving on to the next part of our mini flow here, we're gonna move into our bridges. You're set up for your bridge in Pilates. Feet are hip distance apart. Your goal when you come up into your bridge is that the knee is at a 90-degree angle. So we don't want the legs too far out and we don't want them too far in. Give yourself some space. Pelvis is stable. From here, before we even move up into our bridge, relax the shoulders down. Deep breath. We're going to close the ribs in. You see how my ribs are flaring right here? We're going to close them in. Think about pulling the ribs in. Tucking the pelvis like we're lifting a belt buckle towards our chin. Here's our starting position. From here, as you exhale, you scoop the pelvis and lift all the way up into that bridge. Inhale at the top and then exhale, lower one vertebrae at a time. So what that means is you're going to round the spine as you lower. Lowering slowly. Pelvis is the last thing that hits the mat. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale at the top, exhale as you lower. So we're really matching our breath here with that lift up, squeezing from the glutes, pressing through those heels. Let's lower. And on this next one, we're going to hold up here. Articulate all the way up. Pelvis, I want you to pretend there is a yardstick on your pelvis. You got to keep it level. From here, let's hold, press through all 4 points of the foot, and we pulse down and up, down and up, down and up. And squeeze the glutes and relax. Squeeze and lower. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We hold here. Hold. Take your right leg and lift it up. Oh, now we got to make sure our hips are staying level. Extend. We lower and we lift. Lower, lift. Down, up. Takes a lot of control here. Keep the pelvis stable. 2 more. Last one. Leg comes to tabletop and it lowers and we articulate all the way down. You're going to take your left leg, cross it over the right, press back, figure 4. Big inhale, big exhale. And we release back to our bridging position. On that next exhale, go ahead and scoop that pelvis up into your bridge. We bring the left knee up into tabletop. Stabilize the right leg here. Stabilize your hips. And we lift. We lower the leg and lift. Lower and lift. You've got this. I'm shaking right there with you. Dig into your power, queen. Yes, you can. You can do hard things. 3 and 2 and 1. Leg comes to tabletop, lowers, and we articulate all the way down. Whew, fantastic. Right leg crosses the left, and we press back to figure 4. Whew.
Thank you all for joining me for this mini flow. If you would like more videos like this, please consider subscribing and have a great day.